If you are a business owner, you've definitely heard about GoHighLevel. Thousands of people have been raving about this software over the past few years, but the question is it really as good as everyone says? If so, how can you benefit from this software? GoHighLevel can replace ClickFunnels, $297 per month, MailChimp, $299 per month, GetResponse, $119 per month, Kajabi, $149 per month, Teachable, $29 per month, School, $99 per month, Hootsuite or Buffer, $19 per month, Calendly, $16 per month, Zapier, $20 per month for basic plan. In total, GoHighLevel can save you over $1,000 a month in subscription fees by consolidating all these functionalities into one platform, all for just $97 per month. Now, let's take a look at GoHighLevel's pricing. There are 3 different plans: Starter, Unlimited, and SaaS Pro. The Starter plan costs $97 a month. This plan includes 3 sub-accounts, up from just 1 previously. You can also white label the app and access 95% of the features in the CRM. Additionally, you can add unlimited team members to those 3 accounts without paying extra per team member like most other CRMs. This is a great value, as you're getting almost everything you need to get started. Once you get 1 paying client, you'll be able to cover the cost of your membership. The unlimited plan costs $297 a month. The main difference here is that instead of only getting 3 sub-accounts, you're getting unlimited sub-accounts. Within each of those sub-accounts, you can add your customers for an incremental cost per account. It's a flat fee for unlimited accounts. However, if you want to add texting and emailing, there's a small additional fee, fractions of a cent per message in the US. The cool thing is that you can actually bill your clients for text and SMS usage if you're on this plan. The SaaS Pro plan is $497 a month. This is the full-blown Agency Pro account, allowing you to become your own SaaSpreneur by upselling and reselling sub-accounts, automations, text and email services, and WordPress hosting. You name it, you can do it inside of GoHighLevel. You can also completely automate your onboarding process, which is really amazing. Additionally, you get access to a gray label app that your clients can download and install on their phones, keeping them engaged. If you want to start your own SaaS company, the SaaS Pro plan is definitely the way to go. As you can see, you can customize all the features for your own SaaS, white label it, and make it completely seamless and invisible to your customers. This unique offering is not available from anyone else, and is totally worth investing in. Even if you only use it for your business, the fact that you can resell it to unlimited clients without spending more money is completely insane. For detailed information on GoHighLevel's features and pricing, check out my full video linked in the I button above. Before we wrap up, I've got an exciting bonus lined up that you definitely don't want to miss. To make your experience with GoHighLevel even more valuable, I'm offering exclusive professionally designed funnel templates, typically sold for $197, completely free. These templates are crafted to help you get started quickly and optimize your sales process with minimal effort. Plus, you can start with a 14-day free trial of GoHighLevel to explore all its features before committing. If you sign up with GoHighLevel through my affiliate link in the description, you'll receive the funnel templates directly in your email, so you can start using them right away. Click the link in the description to start your free trial and claim your bonus templates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more valuable content. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn about next. Until then, take care.